Going on, guys? In this episode, Dave and I are going to finish up welding the trunk, and this car is going to be no longer having junk in the trunk. That's right. Whoa! Check this out, you guys. Dave has outdid himself. While I was gone yesterday, ripped out the whole trunk. There is nothing left in here but frame rails and inner wheel houses. How cool is that? Look at all the junk down here on the ground that's remaining from that crappy trunk pan that was in here. Obviously, we're gonna have to clean up some pinholes, some structural things, make all of these repairs so it's nice and strong in here. We'll get some zero rust sprayed in, make sure this is all clean metal, very strong and good to go, sealed off after this. Then we can get our bigger inner wheel houses in so we can have some fat tires out back. Not gonna be quite hefty fat, but still a little bit more meat out back. And look at this pile of beauty right here. AMD hooked it up for us. That trunk pan, the rest of all these parts here. This is gonna be so cool. You guys are gonna love this episode. What'd you come up with here, mad scientist?
All right, so because the entire ass end of the car had to come off, or it just came off, it completely disintegrated and we had to take it off.
Yeah.
So because we had that, it's like, well, hey, why are we doing a two-piece trunk pan? We should actually just do a one-piece. And thankfully, I do enough of these cars around here. I just happen to have a one-piece trunk pan laying around. Granted, it is for a 6870 Charger, so we'll have to pass that one spot, but that's a 6-inch by 8-inch patch versus butt welding and seaming this whole thing and body working the whole thing. So
Oh yeah.
we're way further ahead to just do that and then do that one little patch and one piece and it'll be done.
I love it.
Saves us a lot of time.
Yeah. We made easy, quick work out of this today. Like a different car for like the 9th time again.
The good news is I think all the rust, or at least all the rusty panels, are off, but
Yeah.
the bad news is we had to completely take apart the entire back of your car.
I'm cool with it. It's in good hands here. Very, very cool. In a couple hours, really? Hour or two? Dave got this whole back here off while I was getting all those little dog legs done on the door still, on the passenger door opening at the bottom of the A-pillar and everything, so. Pretty damn cool, guys. Coming along here. It's a twister! It's a twister! Whoa! Watch the bike! All right, Dave and I are taking a pizza break. We've got the frame rails prepped down. Everything's got zero rust prepped inside of it for rust protection. We've got the weld through on all the flanges where we're gonna be welding to. And then we've got the whole trunk pan itself ready to go over here. All of our holes drilled out. Same thing here with the weld through on the bottom. So this thing is ready to slap in.
Better than factory.
That's right. Dave was laughing because Dave drilled on that side, I drilled on this side, and I probably did maybe 25% more holes than he did, but it's okay. I shot close and frequent.
It's gonna be real strong.
That's right, extra strong. Looks like we outdid ourselves here. Under an hour. And I'd like to add, I almost beat Dave. Almost. He still beat me, but I also had more welds to do. Self-imposed problem, but still. That is freaking cool. That thing ain't going nowhere. And while I was gone, Dave got the passenger side wheel tub in, and look at that thing. It's a whole 3 inches wider, welded up really beautifully, and you can see over here on the driver's side, still remaining to get done, welded completely solid throughout. That thing is going absolutely nowhere anytime soon. We've also got the trunk extension and drop down in. That thing looks really good. Here you can see where he had to also kind of custom fabricate this drop down that goes to the side from the package tray down to the top side of the inner wheelhouse, and you can see over here on the driver's side how much different it looks, and we're gonna have to change that one too. Now I'm gonna go ahead and start doing some metal repairs on these little rusty pinhole spots that have been kind of just been an eyesore to us. So here I'm gonna go ahead and get all those things fixed up while Dave is going to get the driver's side wheelhouse fit up and ready to go. He's gonna have to kind of custom cut out a few inches of the flange over there on the trunk floor and also get it right up against that frame rail, because this thing is going to bring us a little bit wider and it needs to get that extra space. So we're just plugging away here, making some metal repairs and making room for all that extra meat in the back. And here's a nice little before and after in that spot. I prepped this piece here to get this upper side of the outer wheelhouse fixed up, and Dave's already got that inner wheelhouse right there really close to being fully mocked up. Just doing a little bit more refinement before he gets it welded in. All these repairs over here I'm making are very meticulous, a lot of little tiny little spots, little patches, just kind of slowly going along with it, but it's actually really important to me because I want this car to be beautiful even in all the spots you're not going to see, because once that quarter's on here, you're not going to really see any of that, but still it matters to me to go from that to this. Structurally strong. All right, finishing off the night, I've got this whole area here fixed in, fixed up here as well, all around. End up underneath, just gotta clean up the welds. And that's what was there and is no longer. And then Dave has got his other side here for our big fatty, or a 3-inch wider wheel well housing. Right here already set, mocked up, ready to get welded in. So this whole trunk is really coming together now. Super, super cool. And here you can see this little corner where Dave has to make this kind of tapered triangle to fill this gap between the trunk floor and where the wheelhouse meets. And over here, once again showing how he did it on the passenger side. It's almost seamless. You'd never know it was done, but now it's nice and fat back there. And look here, just 2 months ago what this car looked like from the underside versus right now. Those are still the original frame rails, but that trunk floor, rockers, and inner wheelhouse is all new metal. So that's gonna wrap up this video here for this trunk work. Dave is still gonna finish up a little bit more work, driver's side wheelhouse, while I'm not here, but you guys can see this thing came out so freaking good. I'm really excited. He was saying it's a 17-inch width that we have underneath there, so. Great work there, mad scientist. Rocking away here. Catch you guys on this next wild episode.